In this video, we will explore the career of a doctor of veterinary medicine. We will learn about the future goals, importance, and scope of this field. We will also discuss the education, training, and skills required to become a veterinarian. Have you ever wondered what it takes to care for our furry, feathered, and scaly friends? Do you have a passion for animal health and welfare? If so, a career in veterinary medicine may be the perfect fit for you. In this video, we will discover the world of veterinary medicine and what it takes to become a doctor of veterinary medicine, DVM. The importance of veterinary medicine is evident in the care and treatment of our beloved pets. Animals bring joy and companionship to our lives, and it is our responsibility to ensure their health and wellness. A career in veterinary medicine allows individuals to make a significant impact on the lives of animals and their owners. Veterinary medicine also plays a vital role in the economic and agricultural industry by monitoring and preventing animal diseases that can affect food production. The scope of veterinary medicine is vast and diverse, ranging from small animal practices to large animal hospitals and wildlife conservation. DVMs can specialize in a particular animal species, such as dogs, cats, horses, livestock, or exotic animals. They can also specialize in a specific area of veterinary medicine, such as surgery, internal medicine, dermatology, or oncology. To become a DVM doctor, an individual must complete a 5-year veterinary program at an accredited college or university. This program covers a range of subjects, including anatomy, physiology, pharmacology, and pathology. After graduation, DVMs must pass the North American Veterinary Licensing Examination, NAVL, to practice in the United States. DVMs also need to have excellent communication skills, empathy, and problem-solving skills to diagnose and treat animals successfully. In this video, we explored the world of veterinary medicine. We discussed the future goals, importance, and scope of this field. We also learned about the education, training, and skills required to become a DVM. If you have a passion for animal health and welfare, a career in veterinary medicine may be the perfect fit for you. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has inspired you to pursue a fulfilling career in veterinary medicine.